Okay, in this video we are placing POs and receiving products into the warehouse. So a PO is also an ASN. Is a great way for you or for your customer to let you know of the products that are coming into the warehouse. And so you can, like any other record in the system, you can create a new PO manually or import it through the CSV template. We click New PO. We select the client that we are creating a PO for. The PO number will be automatically generated to the next PO number, but you can modify this to a different number as you want to. Issue date will be today's date. Accepted date, this is if the manufacturer, you're sending a PO to the manufacturer and you want them to accept the PO. You can also put in the expected arrival date in there and any notes. The suppliers, suppliers would be created in the suppliers menu. Also for any SKUs to be displayed in the PO, if you select the supplier, the item has to be linked to the supplier. So we'll take a look at that in a moment. Payment status, not paid, fully paid. Change that to fully paid. The ship to location for the PO. And then we can add the line items. So you select the SKU. Let's select our product here and the quantity that we are receiving. So it's 500 eaches. You can place the unit cost and the shipping cost in here. Okay, if you select this checkbox, this will automatically create a packing list for a PO. Packing list is required for us to receive this PO into the warehouse. So I'll click Save. It will create a packing list for me automatically. It's pending. We haven't received this yet. It will have the PO information replicated here, so 500 quantities. But I can edit this packing list to specify if we are receiving this in a pallet. So I can say it's a pallet, receiving one pallet of 500 eaches. You can also see it here, receiving one pallet of 500 eaches for a total of 500. You can also put any notes, right? Click Save, and this will tell you we have one pallet of 500 eaches, total quantity of 500. All right, and the notes will be displayed there. And when you are done with this PO and the packing list, you can search it back into our PO section. These are all the list of POs. You can search by SKU, by PO number, by carrier name, tracking number, and a bunch of other fields here. So MZ1, was it MZ that we were receiving here? See. All right, a couple of other points. You can attach a document, give it a document type, and upload files to this PO also. All right, now that we're ready to receive this packing list, also this is a great way for you to have your customer create these POs or packing lists for you, and it helps us during receiving. So we can match against expected quantity. This is available in a customer portal for your customer to just generate these POs for you. Okay, next I can click this Receive this packing list. It will populate the PO, it will populate all the line items, all the SKUs that we are receiving with the quantities. Any notes that we had in there also gets generated. So if I put the arrival date, click Save. Now we see the item. The expected quantity was 500. Create a pallet number for me because we are receiving a pallet. You can click Edit and make any modifications to this. If you didn't receive 500, instead you had 400, you can make a change. Or if you had different number of pallets, upload an image, add any notes, and update the PO. clicking print label, it will create the pallet ID for me. So I can click print. This is the LPN number, customer name, reference number, and this is the barcode for this item. So in this LPN, this is optional. You can configure this label. You have the item barcode and also the pallet ID barcode. Again, these labels are configurable, so you can change it for you. We'll print these labels in a 4x6 thermal printers, so they go right on those pallets. Okay, as soon as the receipt is created, you do your quality control. If all the numbers match up, you can confirm the receipt. Clicking confirm receipt will ask you if you just want to confirm it or confirm it and move it to put away queue. So clicking to confirm and move to put away will move this receipt into the confirmed status, which is this one right here. And also it creates a task in the work queue under put away queue. So I can now on the handheld put away these items. So you see the reference number, the receipt date, PO number, and what's in that receipt that needs to be put away. You can either click here to put away the item, give it the location we need to put away the item, but a better way would be to use the handheld scanner device to scan the pallet number and scan the location to put away.